Hey, what's up everybody, Galen here. Today I'll be trying to get the legend fish, aka the vampire squid. So let's get rid of all the fish that are not death. So let's look one more time. Okay, so first time, I swear. First time. Hopefully, first try. Maybe. Come on. Maybe it'll be it. Dang, I got a cuttlefish. Shoot. Still cool though. Still pretty cool. But not necessary. I'm going for the vampire fish. Vampire fish. Come on. Oh god, it's turning away. Did you guys see that? It's like using its tail. That's weird. Whoa. Dang it. Why am I only getting cuttlefish? Am I trying to craft a freaking bizarre tapestry? Actually, I think I could craft another one if I'm getting all these cuttlefish, to be honest with you. Yeah, for my fire. Wait, if I'm getting all these cuttlefish, I can just craft one for my fire. That's cool. I think it's tradable, right? It's tradable, isn't it? Come on, eat it. Eat. Yo. Yo, it's huge. Whoa. Yo. And that was the vampire fish. No freaking way, dude. That's awesome. That's amazing. Let's look it out. Let's check it out. A tall keeper aquarium. Interesting. I'm a tomat. Just caught the fish. Yeah, so wow, that's awesome. I'm gonna craft a tank and put it in my house. That's awesome, dude. So cool. So yeah, that was pretty much the video. Noise. Yes, it's very noise, indeed. Also, I finished the Doctor Who thing, thus giving me the Time Weaver badge, and I like the badge because of the spell Luminous Weaver. So it's Weaver, Luminous Weaver. Get it? No, I don't know. I think it's creative, I guess. I don't know. People are gonna probably be using this badge who finish it. I mean, when I say it, I mean the Doctor Who thing, like this stuff. But I don't know. It's nice. I like it. Okay, is this me, or does it look like I have a meatball on my head? I think I have a meatball on my head. Let's sell some stuff, actually. That sells for a lot, dang. That's good. Really good, actually. Sell that. Don't want that. Don't want that. Don't want that. Don't want that. Definitely want that. Don't want this. Large Whopper aquarium. Yeah, I have a bank stuff. I want to sell some stuff from the bank. From the bank, I should say. Alright. Nothing I can sell here, right? No. What I wanted to sell? I wanted to sell these. That's what I wanted to sell. Alright. Pretty much it for the bazaar time. Look at the tall keeper aquarium. That's really cool. I just caught it. That's awesome. Definitely posting that. Faux show. See if she even sells it. I think she would. No, she would sell it. Large keeper. No. No. What's it called again? It's called like a tall, right? Tall keeper. Goldfish grouper. I don't even know where to get that. What is that? I don't even know where to get that. I don't think I'll put it in my room. I'll probably just have it. Well, that's pretty much it. So I just be catching it. Okay, I know it's not gonna be there, but I'm going to try. Okay, I'm going to try to get any fish in here. Didn't think so. I'm going to look once and see if there's any stormfish, because if there is, it's definitely going to be the frankenfish. See, here's the thing. I would have recorded it a while ago, but frankenfish isn't showing up, and I really want to get frankenfish now because we're in the same video. You know? Maybe. Please? Wait, is that a storm? No, it's a balance. Let's just keep checking. So no, okay, that was pretty much it. So I hope you all enjoyed Vampire Fish Swag. Vampire Squid, I should say. Yeah. So yeah, see you guys next time. Oh wait, one more thing before I wanted to go. I made the huge mistake of buying the 2 mounts, but look at this. This looks super swag, but I can get this, which is also cool. And I need 4 more, but I already have 1 more in my house. And then I know where to buy these. I have everything. So yeah, I just need some catfish stuff. Just a few more catfish, 3 more, and that should be fine. I'll craft it for sure. Then I'm gonna do it again to get another one, and then slowly craft the other one. Here it is. I need 15 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Treasure card's full. Yo, the struggle is real, guys. Legit. What should I like? I don't even know what to sell. TBH. What can I like freaking use? Wait. If I put a deck, no, it won't work that way. Okay, I later have to go to the bazaar. Yeah, okay, I'll stop here. So I'll see you guys next time. I'm out. Adios.